Hello everyone, welcome back to my another new video tutorial. This is Obaid. Are you looking for domain and hosting offer? If you have website, then you may need to renew your domain and hosting each year to make your website live on the internet, right? So you wanted to get some save some money when you purchase your domain and hosting, and each year when you have to renew. So today I will share with you a 100% cashback offer from Hostinger, where you don't have to spend any money on it. Just you have to purchase your whatever you have to purchase your domain and hosting, or if you have existing, then you just need to do this from your from a new Hostinger account, where you will get 100% refund. I mean cashback after 3 months. So there has a time limit, but they did it for safety purpose, because some client wanted to after purchase so that no one can refund it again, but you will get it. So here we are talking about top cashback offer. So if I show you about, if I give you some information about the website, let's check on Trustpilot to check their rating. As you can see that top cashback USA, it has almost 4.6 rating. So it's an authorized company. They are offering cashback offer. So as you can see, if you search top cashback, there has multiple company with the same name. We can check from here. There's almost 4.6 rating, so it's a trusted company. You can also check their review summary from here. So they're offering too much. I will share with you their referral link so that you can get first of all, you have to create an account there. I will share with you my reference link on the description box. After that, you will get an interface something like that, where you can where you have to search for, like example, they has so much company here, so much brand. They're collaborating with so much popular companies. So like if you want, especially in this video we will talk about Hostinger offer, because for Hostinger they are offering 101% cashback. Can you imagine that? That's mean that you will get 100% refund with 1% extra. So you don't have to you will get you will save your money. Like you can purchase your domain and hosting, and you don't have to spend anything. Just you will get the cashback after 3 months. So it's kind of like free. So you just have to purchase on go to Hostinger. You can search Hostinger here, and after that you will get something like that, get up to 101% cashback. You just need to click on it. And there has also some other coupon for Hostinger. You can also use this coupon as well once you purchase from Hostinger. Okay, so and there has also an extension. You can also use this extension if you are using Chrome browser or any other browser. There has extension for all of the browsers, so that once you visit any website, you will see if there are any cashback for this website. So right now we are doing from Hostinger. So let's see. Once you click on the link, then you will see something like that. They will record your purchase. So what you have to do, once you visit the website, you have to purchase that time. If you don't purchase at the same time, that it will not calculate on it. I mean they will not give you any cashback if you don't purchase at the same time. So you will see that we have recorded your visit. So it will take around 48 hours to get your cashback. So I will also share with you how I get my cashback here. So whatever you have to do, once you visit the here, you just have to purchase any package. Like you can take this package, or if you have multiple websites, then you can go with cloud startup.